What is good, everybody? My name is Paul Billings. You're joining us at Mobile World Congress, and I'm at the Intel booth. We've got a lot of great things at this booth. What we're showcasing is how Intel has been a leader when it comes to shaping the future of 5G technology. More importantly, we've got a lot of demos for our customers to get their hands on. We've got 20 demos behind me, anywhere from Wi-Fi 6 to AI technology to protect your home. But what I love most is we have 3 main super demos. We focus on 3 industries and try to show you the technology of 5G and how it impacted that. The first technology is media. So we partnered up with Sony, Warner Brothers, and even companies like Nokia and Ericsson. And what we've done is we've created a multiplayer VR system on a 5G network. This is the first of its kind. Now, this isn't going to be available to the public. This is one way Sony is using our technology to promote their upcoming Spider-Man movie. In the industrial side, we're incorporating AI technology along with BPUs and 5G to be able to have the manufacturing run safely without any human interaction. And finally, retail. This is where you no longer have to have a brick and mortar store. With the power of 5G on the cloud, you can now take your store on the go. Those are just some examples of what we're doing at Intel to show you how we're still a leader when it comes to 5G technology.